Google Chrome is one of the most popular browsers in the world, but most users stick with the default settings and miss out on features that can improve security, speed, and productivity. Today, we'll go through the Chrome settings you should change right now to make your browsing experience smarter and safer. First, let's talk about privacy and security. Go to Settings, Privacy and Security, Cookies and Other Site Data. Here, select Block Third-Party Cookies to reduce tracking from advertisers. You can also enable Send a Do Not Track request to websites. This simple change helps protect your personal data online. Next, Startup Settings. Instead of opening a new tab every time, you can choose to continue where you left off. This is perfect if you close your laptop often or work on multiple projects. Chrome will reopen your previous tabs automatically, saving you time and hassle. Another important setting is autofill in passwords. Go to Settings, Passwords, and make sure Offer to Save Passwords is on, and enable the Check Passwords for Breaches feature. Chrome will alert you if your password has been compromised and even suggest stronger replacements. For better performance, check System Settings. Enable Use Hardware Acceleration when available to speed up graphics-heavy sites, and turn on Continue running background apps when Google Chrome is closed, only if you really need it. This prevents Chrome from using unnecessary memory when idle. Don't forget about search engine and default browser settings. Make sure your preferred search engine is set as default and that Chrome is updated regularly. A quick check ensures faster searches, better security, and access to the newest features. Finally, explore accessibility settings. From the Settings menu, you can adjust font sizes, enable high contrast mode, or turn on live captions for videos. Small changes here make browsing easier and more enjoyable. Changing these settings takes just a few minutes, but the improvements in privacy, speed, and convenience are huge. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell for more simple tech guides.